Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to perform right mouse button click to open up context menu using keyboard in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So whenever we right mouse click using our computer mouse, you can see this kind of context menu, right? So these are called the context menu. So here we are not going to use our computer mouse. So here we're gonna use only our computer keyboard. So here I will show you two ways how you can do it using your computer keyboard. So on your computer keyboard, just press and hold Shift and press F10. So you can see here the context menu shows up, and similarly say if I select this respective folder and now if I press Shift and F10, so you can see it opens up the context menu options, right? And the second method is just press the menu key. So you can see here it opens up the context menu. Similarly, once again if we select our particular folder or file, and once again if we click on the menu key on our computer keyboard, it will open up the context menu. So these are the two ways to perform right mouse button click to open up context menu using keyboard in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.